welcome back to Christina Just Tried. I am Christina and today we are trying Vlogmas Day 2. I have a handful of things I need to knock off of my list. Just housekeeping things like laundry and grocery shopping. And definitely need to do meal planning because it's the start of my week and it just makes the week go by easier if I have my meals planned out. Not like prepping, but planning. Like, I'm gonna have this for dinner on this day or that for dinner on that day. It helps with the whole budgeting thing. Yep, I'm eating a cookie for breakfast. It's my banana snickerdoodle cookie. It's super yummy. I made a batch last night. Should try them. What else? A couple of Christmas things. Wrapping presents. A little bit more decorating. And yeah, we'll see where the day takes us. Hopefully I get motivated soon. So this is the reality of baking cookies in the middle of the night. You wake up to a mess of a kitchen. I just want to make coffee. I don't want to clean up this mess, but I gotta clean up this mess and then make coffee. I usually clean the kitchen as I go, but I was just too tired the night before, so yeah, I guess we'll just clean up the kitchen together. Well, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. Here I'm making my morning latte. It's just decaf, nothing exciting. I can't do caffeine. And after I do coffee, we're gonna do meal planning. So let's do it. So basically this is how I plan it out. We sit down, we discuss what we're gonna have for dinner. We make a list. So we're gonna have curry with rice, loco moco, buttered noodles, Alfredo, baked potatoes, meatloaf, and chicken. That's our dinners for the week. Look at our schedules. Usually mine's the one that's all fucked up and hers is pretty consistent. And then once I have that planned out, I switch over to this board, erase the old. And then I write down the new menu. What do we have?
There's a curry. Loco moco. Buttered nudes. Alfredo. Baked potatoes. Meatloaf with mash. And chicken.
Probably do loco moco today. Mostly because the ground beef or ground turkey doesn't have that much longer. And then we can do curry with rice on Thursday.
Yes.
Okay. Monday, I am not home until 8. I want to do something easy like buttered noodles that day.
I will be asleep.
Oh, you could still have it on deck, right?
On Monday?
Yeah.
Well, maybe I could stay up because I'm off the next day.
Alfredo Friday?
I'm off at 3 on Friday because inventory.
Do you want to pick up chicken later in the week?
Yeah.
So we can have it on Tuesday on our day off? Do you want meatloaf on Saturday?
Sure.
Sunday is going to be baked potatoes.
The potatoes are brown. I mean, some baked potatoes are orange. change.
So that's how we plan it out. And then we look in our pantry and we see what we have. And then based on that, we make our grocery list. And that's how we handle that business. All right, let's go grocery shopping. Bye. Oh, so we left the house and now it's time to go grocery shopping. And we've decided to go to Walmart. I don't know if we're gonna get everything on the list, but my sister-in-law's there and the baby, so we'll get to hang out with them for a minute. So that's really why we're going there. Otherwise, we would have gone to Food for Less. That's my place. All right. Let's see if we stick to the list. What do you think? Are we gonna stick to it?
Maybe.
Well, we have a tight budget, so. Well, Walmart was eventful, did not stick to the list, but still on budget. Now we are at Randy's Donuts and we're gonna get some breakfast. Or are we? Snack? Snack. It's time to be productive and let's wrap all these bad boys. We've been saving since June for Christmas gifts for the kids. They're all getting scooters. And then the boys, the older boys, we got them a Switch. I'm really excited. I'm gonna prank them on this one. I'm gonna wrap it like in 5 different wrapping papers in different boxes. So it's not like an obvious, oh, this is what it is thing. Okay, so it's 5:30. We started this 3 hours ago. I'm over wrapping presents for the time being. We got them all done, but one, the Switch. It's already wrapped 3 times in here.
But I need to get all the wrapping paper from the bed, and I need to get 2 more.
It's time to do housekeeping things like laundry, dishes, get dinner started. Maybe I'll take. I don't know if anyone else does this or not, but when I fold laundry, I always just put on something on YouTube. It's like the most boringest task ever. Also, I think this is gonna be the first time that this mountain of laundry is conquered the same day it was washed. Anyways, just watch the time lapse of me folding laundry, I guess. Okay, enjoy it. So that's it for laundry. I actually think that's it for the day too. I'm tired. Need to make dinner and edit a couple of vlogs and then call it a night, hopefully. I do have a pile of old undershirts on the floor right now that I really need to cut into rags. I might do that, but I also might just say fuck it and shower and have dinner. So thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. This is what dinner time looks like. A couple of dogs that can't keep their composure. Riley.
I got $50 on Apple Cash.
She got $50 on Apple Cash. What are you gonna buy me? Maybe I'll take you along. We'll see. I don't know what else. What?
Pause, like,
I can edit that out. Awkward turtle.